everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to search by images on Taobao. So in Taobao, you'll be able to search for the products using the image. For that, what you have to do is first of all launch open Taobao application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Taobao application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to see the search bar. In this search bar, you'll be able to find the camera icon. So all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to scan the photo and auto detect the objects. So you can also upload the photo if you want. If you want to take the photo, simply tap on this icon. After that you'll be able to scan the object. Otherwise simply upload the photo from the album. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to see the search results related to that image over here. So like this you'll be able to search by image. So that is how you search by images on Taobao. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.